everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new around here, and today I've got another cleaning related video for you. I'm actually going to be testing out the pink stuff, which is this right here. Now I bought the pink stuff quite a few months ago now, and I kind of left it in my cupboard. I didn't really know what I was going to use it for, and then I saw someone on Instagram the other day using it and I was like, oh my gosh, those results are amazing. So I did a little research on what things I could use the pink stuff on, and I've given it a bit of a test this week. So I've tested it on quite a few different items around my home, and the results have been amazing. So I'm going to show you the results in a moment and show you everything that you can use the pink stuff on. But basically, if you don't know what the pink stuff is, it is a kind of cleaning paste that has kind of grit in it. It's a natural product, so it's not too abrasive. It's very gentle on items around the home. However, it has got that kind of grit in it to get rid of dirt and grime, and I've been really impressed with it so far. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a little tub like this. I got mine from Pound Stretcher, really cheap. It was under £1. You can get it on Amazon and loads of other stores as well. This is what it looks like. It's literally a pink paste. They have recently brought out other products which I haven't tried yet, so if you've tried those, let me know what you think of them. But this is kind of a hero product at the moment in the cleaning world, and to be honest, I do get the fuss now, and I wish I'd used it sooner. So if you want to know how I've been using the pink stuff and to see the amazing results, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Right, so the first product that I used the pink stuff on was trainers. Now these are Vinnie's trainers. As you can see, we've got some grass stains there. Basically they're just a bit scuffed and looking a little bit dirty. So I'm going to use the pink stuff, and I'm also going to use a toothbrush, and I'm just working in circular motions to kind of get rid of the dirt. And I was really impressed with how clean these came up. If you see in a moment, I'm going to wipe it away and you'll just see how white they are underneath, which I couldn't quite believe. So let's just show you here. Look at that. How much brighter is that already? Let me do the rest of the shoe and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. So this is the end result. I think they look so much better. They're much brighter, much cleaner. I couldn't obviously get rid of the scuff marks, so if you've got any suggestions for those, then let me know in the comments down below. But those are Vinnie's trainers. I'm going to move on to Renzo's now, which you can see here are again quite scuffed, quite dirty as well. So we're just going to see if we can brighten these up, and I'm going to give them another clean with the pink stuff. Right, let's move on to tea and coffee stains. As you can see, this mug has got some tea stains in it, and I'm just going to use the pink stuff with a cloth. I'm using a microfiber cloth actually, and this worked really well. I'm literally just using it in the mug, just swirling it around and just cleaning it, and basically it came off very quickly. As you can see there, that is the kind of tea stain there, and then I just made sure to rinse the mug out properly once I had finished cleaning it. So yeah, you can use this on glass, and you can also use this on mugs like I've shown you here. You can also use it on pans, pots and pans. These are relatively new pans. I didn't have any really old dirty ones to show you, but these are, you know, they've got a few little marks on them. So I'm just using this with a sponge, and I'm cleaning the base of the pan here. This is going to work great if you've got like a brown tinge on the base or burnt food, etc. Look at the result there already. But just with a little bit of time and effort, then you can get those coming up really nice and sparkling, like you can see right here. I think it looks lovely and shiny again. This next one really gave me the wow factor. So look at the grout on my floor. I cannot believe it was this dirty until I started cleaning it with the pink stuff. So I'm just using a toothbrush to get right in there, and oh my god guys, the results of this is amazing. If you've got any grout with stains anywhere in your house, I would highly recommend this. It was very quick and easy to use, and the results were incredible. Check this result out right now. What a transformation. I'm so pleased with it. You can also use the pink stuff on radiators. So I've got it here. I've got a few marks here. This is actually like a melted crayon, which I haven't been able to get out. So I used the pink stuff on it, and it's worked amazingly well. So yeah, you can use it to buff out any marks on your radiators. Just be careful with paintwork. So if you're going to use it on a door or anything like that, then beware, because wait till the end of the video and I'll show you what I mean by that. And there you have it, a lovely clean radiator again. My radiators seem to get quite marked very easily, especially in the boys' bedrooms when they're, you know, playing with their toys in their rooms, but this has been a really great result. And now we're moving on to this part of the radiator, so this silver bit you see here. Pink stuff is also great on kind of rust, any rusty areas that you've got, so like the base of mirrors sometimes can be a little bit rusty if you have them in the bathroom and things like that. So definitely give that a little try on any rusty areas, or again, things like this. So I wanted to get rid of this mark on the back of my door in the bathroom, and I used the pink stuff. Okay, so it worked really well at first, you know, the mark was coming away, but then I scrubbed a little bit too hard and then this happened. I scrubbed away the paint. So be very, very careful when you're using this product, and always test it on a small area before you use it too much. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video all about the pink stuff, giving you a little demo on how to use it and the results that I achieved, which I'm really, really impressed with. If you would like to see any other videos on kind of testing products and showing you how I use them, then let me know in the comments down below. Give me some suggestions of things you'd like me to test out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.